Now, most times, persons think we do content because of content monetization, but that is not correct. This is strictly legal awareness creation. Now, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you understand the essence of this video. Having a matter in court, a case in court, a court case is not a death penalty. Why am I saying this? Recently, somebody fired himself because he was told that he would be arraigned in court the next day for a criminal matter. Funny enough, it's a criminal matter that is even bailable. A criminal matter that even the court with Somoto will by itself, grant the defendant or bail because it was a bailable offense, whether represented by a lawyer or not. The sad part of it is that this defendant fired himself before he could be arraigned in court. Now, what happened? Before he was, granted bail at the police station level when he was a suspect. Then he was informed that you have to come to station the next day because you'll be arraigned in court. Because of that of frustration, he just felt, oh, when if I'm arraigned in court, they'll just sentence me to death, or I will be in prison, I will be locked up. He imagined the trauma and all that. And before he could be arraigned in court the next day, he already fired himself. Now, this is why we say ignorance of the law is not an excuse. It's not and can never and has never be an excuse. The fact that you have a criminal case pending court, somebody sued you, doesn't mean that you'll be convicted. No, it's not in court. Is not village shrine. Court is not what's it called, village head. No, in court, evidence speaks. Funny enough, this case, this particular matter, is a case that won't have been able to be proved. Why? Because of looking at the file. It's a case that there's no evidence, no substantial evidence to even prove the case. He went ahead to buy himself. So painful. That's his life. So the essence of all this video is this: one, if you accept a court paper, don't panic. Approach a lawyer and tell a lawyer to explain your chances to you. Tell a lawyer to explain the legal contents of the court paper. Why? Because most times the legal content of court paper is different from the literary meaning. If you just read it that you committed so offense, blah blah blah, or that if you read it like that literally, you will not get the legal meaning. That is why you need to approach a lawyer. A lawyer will explain to you the legal meaning, the legal content, and your defenses, if any. Then from there, you prepare for your defense. It's not a death penalty at all. At all. So in most cases, once you approach lawyer, on the earliest time, before you know, the matter will be set down for hearing. You won't be discharged and acquitted. So don't forget, having a matter in court, having a court case does not mean you should buy yourself. No, ignorance of the law is not an excuse. And don't forget, in place of buying yourself, you did not succeed. That itself is a criminal offense. You see, trying to buy yourself and you did not succeed. Maybe somebody intervened. That itself will even constitute a more heinous offense, a more grave offense. So avoid crime and stay safe.